today class, I think 4, 5 or 6 questions can be asked directly. So just try to be focused. The first question is from CSAT 2025. This is a set of prime numbers. This is also, and this one also. But in this you have 91. 91 is not prime number. So this is the different. If we add 12 in this Jan plus 12, then you can say again January. No doubt. And if you add 11 in this, you got December. No doubt? No. Then December, if you add 10, you will got October. Then in October, if you add 9, July, and plus 8, March, plus 7, again October, plus 6, October plus 6 is what? April. April plus 5 is, so in place of X you can say July, and in place of Y you can say, so answer is option B, July, April. First you need to know the word. This is 5, 5 plus 5, 10 plus 5, 15 plus 5 and plus 5. 5 letters are there. F, R, A, N, C, E. Coded is 5, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And Germany, code of Germany is Germany 9158437. Now try to find a common word between them. N is common, code of N is, and this is also. So you can say this is direct coding. Direct coding means if F in place of F is 6, in place of R is 5, A is 4, done. So what he want this YEMEN, and N is 3, E is 1, M is 8, E 1, Y. So answer is 71813. Good morning to all of you. How are you all? Good. So ready for the CSAT class? From today class, I think 4, 5 or 6 questions can be asked directly. So just try to be focused. If you have any doubt in any question, any logic, you can ask me. So just try to focus here. This is a part of series, and the first question is from CSAT 2025. Try to solve this one. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. 3 plus 3 is 6 plus 5, and then 7. 2, 3, 5, 7. You can say prime numbers. Any doubt? So next one should be plus 11. So 18 plus 11 is what? 20. So 29 is your answer. Simple. Next one. This is also from 2025. How many of you can solve this? What is x in the sequence 24, x, 12, 18, 36 and 90? 24 relation with x, then 12, then 18, then 36 and then 90. How can you get 18 from 12? 12 and half of 12 is, if you add these two, 18, we can say this is 1.5 times and this is 2 times, this is 2.5 times. Got it? 36 into 2.5 means 5 by 2. This is 18 and 18 into 5 is 90. So you got a series, this is 1.5, then 2, then 2.5. So we can say if this is 0.5, 0.5 times, it means it is 12. So this is one time increasing 0.5. 0.5 increase by 0.5, it is 1, then 1.5, then 2, then 2.5. So x, value of x is equal to 12. Isn't it simple? Now this one, this is from 2022. This is 2, 12, 36, 80, 150 and then x. Gap is 10. This is 24. This is 44. This is then 24 and gap of this 14, then 20, then so gap of this is and this, then again 6, 26 plus 6 is 32 and 70 plus 32 102 and 150 plus 102 252. The same asked in 2024. Try to solve this one. 3, 14, 39, 84 star and then 258. Try to check the gap. 3 and 14, 11, then 24, then 45. Gap of these two 14 and then 20. So gap here is again 6. If we add 6, this is 26. 45 plus 26, 71. So 84 plus 71, 150. And I told you in the last session also, in CSAT portion, questions repeated many times. This is from 2022 exam and the same pattern repeated in 2024. Again, this is 2, 12, 36, 80, 150 and x. This is not necessary to go with a single process in this quant section, or you can say in logical reasoning. This is what? 1 cube plus 1 square. Can we write this one? 1 cube plus 1 square is what? 2. And we say this one is 2 cube plus 2 square and out, and this is 3 cube plus 3 square. Got this one? This is 4 cube plus 4 square. This is 5 cube plus 5. So this should be 6 cube plus, and cube of 6 is 216 plus 36. It is 252. Got this one? Now this one from 2020, and you know about 2023. Choose the group which is different from the others. We can say this is odd one out. You need to find odd one out. C. Why C? Really? Difference here? Tell. Anyone else? D. This is a set of prime numbers. This is also, and this one also. But in this you have 91. 91 is not prime number. So this is the different. 13 into 7. So this is not prime. Factors of 91 is 1, 7, 13 and 91. So if this is not prime, these set of the first part, you can say 17, 37, 47 and 97 are prime numbers. Again 31, 41, 53, 67 are also prime numbers, and then 71, 73, 79 and 83 also prime numbers. In this also 83, 89 and 97, but 91 is not prime. So this one is different, or you can say odd one out. Clear? Read the language. Replace the incorrect term with the correct term in the given sequence 3, 2, 7, 4, 13, 10, 21, 18, 31, 28, 43 and 40, where odd terms and even terms follow the same pattern. Odd term and even term follow the same pattern. Odd term means first, third, fifth. For this one, so 3 and 7, you can say plus 4, 7 and 13, plus 6, 13 and 21, plus 8, 21 and 31, plus 10, 31 and 43, plus 12. So you can say 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 2, 10, 10 plus 2, 12. And the same manner, 28 and 40, the difference is 12. 18 and 28, 10. 10 and 18, 8. 4 and 10, 6. So this should be 4. This is 2 and this is 4. So this should be 4. Because of this 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and this is also 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So if this is 4, then this should be 3. 2 should be 0. If you replace 0 here, then 0 plus 4 is equal to, so this one is the wrong term and we need to replace this with 2. 0 is in place of 2. Put this one. Find it out. Now this one from 2021. And you simplified a question like this just in the starting of the class. Sequence first is what? 8, 4, 6, 15, 52.5, 236.25. And sequence 2 is 5A, B, C, D. Then what is? Then find the value of C. Find C. Focus. 8 and 4. You can say this is 0.5 times. 4 to 6. 1.5 times. 6 to 15. 2.5 times. 15 to 52.5. 3.5 times. And this is, how we are getting this? This is 0.5. Add 1, this is 1.5, add 1, this is 2.5, add 1, this is 3.5, then adding 1, this is 4.5. And the same sequence, 5 into 0.5, same as in the sequence 1, 5 into 0.5, 2.5, then 2.5 into 1.5, 2.5, 25 into 15, that is 375, so 3.75. Now this is into 2.5, 0.5, 1.5, 2. So 3.75 into 2.5 is equal to C. Now focus on this. Multiply, you need not do multiply here. This is 3 into 2. So answer should be more than 6. 32 नहीं जा सकता, ये श्योर है. But if you want D, then you will do 9.375 into 3.5. Put it. One more like this. This is from 2014. Number indicated above X. Means you need to find the value of X. Consider the table given below in which the numbers bear certain relationships among themselves along the row. These are the columns and these are the rows. Remember this one? We have a relation according to row. If you add these three numbers according to row, 30 plus 27 plus 3, you can say it is 60. And in the first row, 29 plus 13 plus 18 is what? 60. So this should be 60. 33 plus x plus 19 is equal to 60. Then you can simplify this. 60 minus 33 minus 19. 8. Done. Any doubt? Relationship can be with adding, or you can say with multiply, or you can say first to multiply and then third one we can add. You can find a logic behind this and just need to put with the from which we are finding the x. Put this one. Done. Now this is from 2025. Only from first 1.5 hour from this class you can get 4 to 5 questions out of this. What comes at x and y respectively in the following sequence? The first one is Jan, December, October, X, March, October, Y and September. So if we add 12 in this Jan plus 12, then you can say again January, no doubt. And if you add 11 in this, you got December. And out? No. Then December, if you add 10, you will got October. Then in October, if you add 9, July, and plus 8, March, plus 7, again October, plus 6. October plus 6 is what? April. April plus 5 is, so in place of X you can say July, and in place of Y you can say, so answer is option B, July, April. Or if you are not adding this one, you can say January minus 0 January. January minus 1 is December. For this one, December minus 2 is October. October minus 3 is, October minus 3 is July. July minus 4 is March. And March minus 5 is October. October minus 6 is April. Got it? Ready for the next one? Done. Consider the sequence given below. And what is the next term of the series? This is from 2018. Option C. Why option C? Sure. 4, 12, 95. Then 1, 1, 96. How many days? 4, 12, 95 to 1, 196. 27, 28. December is of 31 days. Then 29, 1, 96, need to add 28 again. Then 26 to 96, add 28. 96 is a leap year. So Feb is of 29. Got this one? So now we need to add 28 in this. So you have 26 plus 3. So remaining one is 25. So 25, 3, 96. So option B is the right answer. Note the C. %90 students take the third one because of they forget Feb is of 28, Feb is of 28, and because this 96 is a leap year, and in leap year Feb is of 29. Got it? This is from 2020. Consider the following sequence of numbers. How many odd numbers are followed by the odd numbers in the above sequence? How many odd numbers are followed by the odd numbers? One is odd and followed by odd. Then next one. Next one is 7 and 3. 3 is odd and followed by 7 is also odd. Then 9. 9 is also odd and followed by 3. Put this one. Next, 7 is odd and followed by 5. This is also odd. Next, 1 and 3. 1 is followed by 3. Next, 5. This one? No. 5 and 1. Any other? 8, 6, 3, 6, 5, 2, 4, 3. No other numbers. So how many? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so 6 is your answer. You want how many? Odd numbers are followed by the odd numbers. Next one. BEHK, find the next term of the series. How many of you remember the places of alphabet, English alphabet? Q is on 17, S 19, T, K. Okay. Focus on this. First, you need to know the word. This is 5, 5 plus 5, 10 plus 5, 15 plus 5, and plus 5. 5 letters are there. A, B, C, D, you know. Anybody can dance. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then X, Y, Z. 20, 4, 20, 5 and 20. No problem in this. Done. Done. This is F is on. You can remember this. This is 6 and fix. Repeat 2 times. Or you can say, if you have this one, if we, isn't this the image of 6? Got it? Then G. In G, you can see the 7. G7, and in GS you also read. G7 submit. Remember this one? So G is on 7. After then, this is, if I add these two, isn't it 8 like computer? So H is on, or you can remember this, H8 from hate. So H is on 8. Then I, you use this word many times in a day. I, so I is on. Done. Next one. J 10. Then K is a team IPL is running. So K is Kings 11 Punjab. So K is on 11. Then L. Read this 2 to 3 times. This is speak, this is 12. Repeat 2 to 3 times. 12 में सबसे ज्यादा क्या सुनाई देगा? फिर से बोलो. Got it? So L on 12. Now C is on 3. Then M is on and W is on. All 3 ending with 3. If you see this M and you rotate this, you will see a 3 in this and a 3 in W also, if you rotate this one. So first 3 is on C, W is in ending part. So you have 3, 13 and 23. 3 is on C, 13 is on and 23 is गेम ओवर. बहुत सारे लेटर्स है जो अपने आप खुद बोलते हैं मैं इतने नंबर पे बैठा हूं. Got this one? Done. As I told you, this is F. One more letter, this is 6 and next 6 is on. The same figure goes with this. So P is on 16. Now G is 7 and this is Q. So make a stylish Q. This is 17. Got this one? Then S and R. V. V बचपन में हम एक ओथ पढ़ते थे स्कूल में. वी आर, याद है? वी आर brothers and sisters. So in Punjabi, this is by and V is on 22. V brothers. ब्रदर को पंजाबी में क्या बोलते हैं? So this is V22, V by. Put this one. Done. Or if you add this one like this is like 8. Got it? If you add this one like here, so this is like, so R is on 18. Remember this one? Now the series. B is on, E is on, H 8 K 2 plus 3 plus then plus 3 14 is because 13 M then 14 N. This plus 3 and then plus 3. MQCP NPEN OOGL PNIG M plus 1 N plus 1 O plus 1. Got this one? So P plus 1. So starting with Q is your answer and all the 4 options is starting with Q. Now this is Q. Q plus Q minus 1. P minus 1. O minus 1. So N minus 1. So QM. Then C plus 2 then plus 2 I plus 2 QMK in this and this P and N minus N minus 2 L minus 2 J minus 2. So QMPH. Any doubt? Otherwise you also can say then through numbers MQCP NPEN OOZL PNIJ. M is on, Q is on 17, C is on, P is on 16, N is on, P, repeat with me, this will need to remember, E is on, N is on 14, O 15, G is on, L 12, J is on 10, I 9, P N is on, P is on. Done. 13 plus 1 14, 14 plus 1 15, 15 plus 1 16. So 16 plus 1 and 17 is Q. 17 minus 1 16, 16 minus 1 15 minus 1 14 minus 1 13 is M. 3 plus 2 5 plus 2 7 plus 2 9 plus 2 11 is on Kings 11 Punjab. Then 16, 14 minus 2. 14 minus 2 is 12 minus 2 is 10 minus 2 is 8 is H. So answer is Q M K H. Got this one? Any doubt till here? This is the question from 2025. This is letter series. One question confirm from this one. This is from 2025. This is from 2021. This is from 2023. Almost every year. Consider the sequence that follows a certain pattern which one of the following completes the sequence? First, you need to know how many letters are there. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and if total letters are 18, then you need to break down in two parts, either of pairs of 3 letters or pairs of 6 letters. So if this is 18, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then you have 3 pairs. The last letter is C here. Last letter is, so last letter should be, add it out. First letter is, so first letter should be, put this one. Second letter is, then third letter is B. Third letter here is B, and third letter here should be B. So this one we got the complete part A, B, B, C, 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 or you can say A, double B and triple C. So in the same section also A, double B, triple C, A, double B, triple C. What is in the blanks? B, C, B, A, C. Try to check the option. B, C, B, A, C. So C is the answer. Any doubt in this? You need to consider first how many letters. Then if this is 18, you can break in the pairs of 3 or in the pairs of 6. If it is 15 total, then 3 and 5. If 20, either 4 or 5. Got it? Done. No, कभी नहीं होगा ऐसा. ये लो. In the series B A B A B A B A B A A B, fill the 6 blanks using one of the following given 4 choices such that the series follows a specific order. How many total letters here? 18. So we can break either of 6 or 3. And how many you broke? 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The first letter is A here. First letter is, so starting with, अब तो कुछ करना ही नहीं. Simple it is. First blank is A, and starting with A only the last option. You can put this A, B, then A, B, then A, B. So A, B, B, A, A, B, A, B, B, A, A, B, A, B, B, A, A, B. Done. Clear this is? Next one. This is from 2020 और इसको हल्के में नहीं लेने का. consider the sequence that follows a certain pattern. Which of the following complete the sequence? How many total letters here? 20. So if this is 20, you can break to the 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 4 and 5. So need to break in 5 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Got it? First letter is A here, A, and this is also got a pattern. This is A, B, C, D, then A, B, C, D, repeating with A, then repeating, then will repeat, and here. So your answer should be D, D, C, A. Option? Got it? Next one. First, you will solve this one. This is from 2022. 9P, 25Q, 8H, 16 and 18. What is in place of question mark, or you can say what is the missing term of the series? Focus on this. This is 9P, 25, then Q, 8, H, then 16, question mark, and 18. (25) minus 9 is what? And 16th is the letter for. Done? 25 and 8. What is the difference? 17, and 70 is the place value of Q. 8 and 16 differences, and H is on 8. Now 16 and 18 differences, and 2. Got it? Done? Next one. This is from 2021. You simplified a question like this. Following is a matrix of certain entries. The entries follow certain trend row wise. Choose the missing entry accordingly. 3B. The first row you have A, B, C. In second row also A, B, C. In third row A, C. So we need a B. And if we have B, done. After that, 7 plus 3 is 6 plus 3 is, so 10 plus 3 is 13. So 3B is, isn't it simple? सिंपल ही है, बस क्लिक कर जाए पेपर में. मेन प्रॉब्लम वहां पे जाती है. क्लास में तो ऐसा लगता है बस मजा आ रहा है, चलने दो, है ना. पेपर में जाते वो मजा नहीं आता फिर आपको. This one is from 2023. If 0 is written as CHUR, then how is player written? 0 is CHUR and player. This is from 2023. Z is on 26. E is on R, O, O. C is on H, U, R, 18. P is on L, 12. A, Y, E, R, 10. Now try to find relation between this. 5 and 8. You can say plus 3. 18 plus 3 is 15 plus 3 is, so 26 plus 3 is, focus on this, A is on, B is on, C, D, then X, Y, Z is 24, 25 and 20. If we are writing in a sequence, then again A, so A is on 27, B is on, C is on, D is on 30. So we can write here 29 also. So 26 plus 3 is also for this one done. Plus 3. 19 is S. But plus 3 if we here, then this is 20 and 21 is 4 and U is the only last letter written. Complete करने की जरूरत नहीं थी. Similarly, like this question. Twelve plus 3 is 15 is 1 plus 3 is 4 means D. 25 plus 3 is 28 means 5 plus 3 is 8 means, so SODBHU is your answer. Any doubt? This is from 2022. But you need to know the reverse letter of English alphabet. If the order of the letters in English alphabet is reversed and each letter represents the letter whose position it occupies, then which of the following represents Lucknow? How many of you remember the reverse letter? 1, 2, 3, 4. और लोगों पेपर नहीं देना है? फोकस हियर. मैं थोड़ा सा फॉर्मल होके बताऊंगा, ठीक है, मतलब जिससे तुम याद रख पाओगे. फॉर दिस वन डन. Opposite to A is Z. You can remember this one through A to Z. Then opposite to B is bye bye tata. Got it? Then C, X. Opposite to C is D. Opposite to D is Mountain Dew. डर के आगे जीत है. Got it? After that, E. EV, electric vehicle. Got it? Then F. FU, father, uncle. F opposite to U. Then G. You know Sirsasuri? GT Road. G opposite to E. Then H. Opposite to H is S. High school. Then I. I opposite to I is R. Indian Railway. Indian Railway. Then J. JQ. Jaipur Queen or Jacqueline Fernandez. Any other you can say. Then K. K opposite to K is, so PK movie. Opposite to P is K. Yes. Then LO. Love, प्यार मोहब्बत इस दो का. L opposite to L is, and opposite to V is also love से आप दो याद कर सकते हैं. Opposite to L is, opposite to E is V. Done. Then M. Opposite to M is N. Man. MN. इसे आप एक और रख सकते हैं. दिस इज दूध वाला. DW. Done. And this question is now opposite letters of L, U, C, K, N, O, W. Opposite to W is D. Opposite to O, L, LOVE. Opposite to N is, opposite to K is P, Kamala Pasand. Opposite to C is, opposite to U is F, father uncle. Opposite to L is O. So O, F, X, P, M, L, D. This is from 2025. In 2025 examination, there are 5 questions from this. Only from coding and decoding part. So just try to focus here. If NO is coded as 210, NOT coded as 4200, NOTE coded as 21000, then how is not code? NO is 210, then NOT is coded as 4200 and NOTE coded as 21000. Now focus on this. The place value of N is what? 14 and place value of O is 15. So 14 into 15 is what? 210. N is on 14, O is on 15, T is on, you can remember T20. T20 game. IPL is running in the format T20. If 14 into 15 into 20, 14 to 15, 20, 4200 because this is 210 and into 20. So this is 4200. Now N is on 14, O is on 15, this is 20 and E is on 5. So this is 21000. Now he want NOTES, and NOTE, you know, this is 21,000. NOTE is 20,000 and S is on 19. So 19 into 21,000, 19 into 1, 99, 19 into 2, 38 plus 1, 39. So 399,000 is your answer. Got this one? Yeah. Now, this one is from 2025. This is known as direct coding. If France is coded as 654321 and Germany is 9158437, then how is Yemen coded? It is very simple. France, FRANCE, coded as 654321, and Germany, code of Germany is Germany 9158437. Now try to find a common word between them. N is common, code of N is, and this is also. So you can say this is direct coding. Direct coding means if F in place of F is 6, in place of R is 5, A is 4, done. So what he want this is YEMEN, and N is 3, E is 1, M is 8, E 1, Y. So answer is 71813. ऐसे तो मत छोड़ गाना कम से कम, उसमें मेरी बेइज्जती है और तुम्हारी तो है ही खैर. This is from 2024. Try to solve this one. ABCD is written as 24. ABCD is written as 24. E, F, G, H is written as 1680. Then I, J, K, L is written in that code. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. Multiply these 4 numbers, you will get 24. E is on 5, F 6 fix, G 7, H 8. Multiply all the numbers, you will get. When you see a 5, try to give it an even number. So 5 into 8 is 40. 6 into 7 is, multiply 4 into 2 and 4 into 4. Got this one? Done. I is on 9, J is on K, L. So 9 into 10 into 11 into 12. 12 into 9 is what? 108. 108 into 11 into 10. So 108 into 11. 11880. 11880. 0. Next one. This is from 2023. If 7, 9, 10 is 8, 9, 11, 30 is 5, 11, 17, 21 is 13. What is the value of 23, 4, 15? This is number coding. Anyone? Seven, 9, 7, 9, 10. Add these three numbers. 7 plus 9 is 16, plus 10 is 26, and add 2, 6, put it, then 9, 11, 30. Add these three numbers. 11 plus 9, 20, 20 plus 30, 50. Add 5, 0. Put it. Now, 11 plus 17 plus 21 is equal to what? 42. 42, 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. 49. So 9 plus 4 is equal to 13, done. Then 23 plus 4 plus 15 is equal to 42. So 4 plus 2 is equal to 'Next one. This is from 2017. In a certain code, 256 means red color chalk and 589 means green color floor. 254 means white color chalk. The digit in the code that indicates white. 256 means red color chalk. Then 589 means green color flower. Then 254 means white color chalk. Through the first two, you can say the common word is color. First and second. Got it? And color, for color you can say 5. So 5 is also color here. Got it? Then 2 is common, 4 chalk. So remaining 4 is white. Done. This one is from 2017. In a certain code language, ma pa na means I am male. Ma pa na I am male. Ma sa na I am female. Which of the following means male? The common is I am, and 2 common here, mana. So pa is for male and sa is for, and he want male, so pa. And if he want the I or M, I for ma, you cannot determine. For I, ma or na. For M also ma or na. You cannot determine. Answer should be in either or. Got it? This is from 2025 again. I told you 4 to 5 questions just from coding and decoding in 2025 exam. This is the third one. 343 and 216 written as 729. So then how 512 written in that code? Focus. This is 4 cube and this is 7 cube. This is 6 cube, 9 cube. This is 4 plus 3, 7, 6 plus 3, 9. So 8 plus 3, 11 cube is this is third one, this is fourth one, this is fifth one from 2025, and I told you 4 to 5 questions, those all 5 questions from the fourth one. P is equal to plus Q is equal to minus, R is equal to multiplication, and S is divide. Then insert the proper notations between the successive numbers in the equation. 60, 15, 3, 24 is equal to, if you consider the first option, this is SPRQ, that is SPRQ. S means divide, P means plus, SP, then R is, and Q is. So you will use board mass in this. Then first we need to divide 60 by 15, 4, plus 3 into 20, multiply then 60. 60 minus 4, So it is 60. So this one is not the right one. Now, first option. Now the second option. 60, 15, 3, 20, 4, 20. The second option is what? First is Q. Q means minus. R means multiplication. And P is plus. S is first you need to divide both because of board mass. So this is what? 5. This is of 45 and 60 is equal to 60 plus 5, 65. 65 minus 45 is 20. Got it? So answer is option B. $45 माइनस के साथ 60 is with positive sign, 5 is with positive sign, so 5 plus 60 is 65 and minus 45. Got it? If you use this 5 with 40, then you will say minus 40. This is from 2025. Read this one. The local terminology for earth, tree, food, water and star on another planet is food, water, star, tree and earth respectively. If someone is hungry there, then what would he eat? We know if someone is hungry, then he will eat food according to earth. So earth, then tree, tree then food. Here is food, then so on this planet food and on another planet is, so he will eat star. तभी तो उसी सेट से बाहर जाएगा. Next one. This is from 2024. Simple it is. He is saying plus is replaced by minus, or you can say plus is minus, and minus means multiplication because a minus b means a into b. So minus means multiplication and multiplication means divide and divide means plus. So we need to find 10 plus 30 minus 100 into 50 divided by 25. But according to the question, plus, in place of plus we will use minus. So 10 minus 30, and in place of minus we will use multiplication. This is 100. In place of multiplication we will use divide 50, and in place of divide we will use plus 25. So now we will use board mass, and in board mass you will use first divide 100 divide 50, 2 into 30 minus 10 plus 20, then we will use multiplication. 30 into 2 is minus 60, this is 10 and this is 25. 25 and 10, 35 minus 60 minus 25. Clear this is? Now you will tell me this. This is from 2024 and this is easy one. What is the angle between the minute hand and hour hand when the clock shows 4:25 hours? How many of you know the formula of this question? 30h, h means hours, minus 11 by 2 m, m for minute. You will use this one. H means 4, so 30 into 4 and we will take the difference, not the minus one. Difference means with positive sign. So 25, 11 by 2 into 25. 25 into 11 is 275. 275 by 2. Or you can say this is 120 minus 275 by 2. This is 240 minus 275 by 2. 240 and 275. The difference between these two numbers is 35. So 35 by 2 is 17.5 is C. You need to remember this one. To calculate the angle at any point of time, you can give me if the time is 10:49. Now you will tell 10:50 kar do. Now you will tell me what is the angle between minute hand and hour hand. So this is 30h, difference with 11 by 2 m. Got it? H is, so 30 into 10, 11 by 2 into 50. This is 5. So 300 minus 275. Difference is, so 25 degree is the angle at this point of time. This is 10:50. डिफरेंस है, माइनस नहीं, मतलब पॉजिटिव रखने के लिए. This is from 2022. Let's see how many of you can solve this one. How many of you know about minutes, second, hours, days and weeks? Remember? There are X weeks, and do you know how many days in a week? X weeks, X days, X hours, X minutes, and then X seconds. Now focus. X weeks means 7 days in a week. In one day you have 24 hours. In 1 hour you have 60 minutes. In 1 minute you have 60 seconds. So this is x weeks, so into x, and you will say number of seconds in x weeks. Is it clear to you? Should I repeat this one? No. So in x days, you know from here you have, in a day you have 24 hours, in 1 hour you have 60 minutes and 60 seconds. So in x days, these are the seconds. Now in x hours, you have 60 minutes in 1 hour, 60 seconds, then in x minutes, 60 into x seconds and x seconds here. 60 into 60 is, this is x second, then 60 second, then 3600 seconds plus 36 into 24, you will tell me. 86400 seconds into x plus now 86400 into 7, 604800 x seconds. So you need to add this one. If this is 6048, so you can say A and B is not possible. So possibility of just C and D, C is also not possible because last you need to add 1 second, 1x also. So answer is 694861 x seconds. Oblique लगाती है इसको और लास्ट में just 1x you need to add. Yes. अब इसमें मिनट सेकंड में क्या क्या ट्रिक लगाओगे? सबसे बेहतरीन ट्रिक फिर यही है, याद कर लो. कुछ क्वेश्चंस होंगे जो कैलकुलेटिव होंगे थोड़े से, अदरवाइज हो जाएगा. उससे पहले भी 25 वाले भी देखे आपने, थोड़े इजी थे. ठीक है, उससे पीछे थोड़ा और जाओगे तो वो थोड़े और ज्यादा कैलकुलेटिव हो सकता है. ये इजी है, बस कैलकुलेशन में मान सकता हूँ थोड़ी सी कैलकुलेशन एक्स्ट्रा, अदरवाइज ऐसे ये नहीं कह सकते कि आपको पता ही नहीं कि सर एक वीक में 7 दिन होते हैं, वो तो नहीं बोल सकते ना. नाउ दिस वन, दिस इज फ्रॉम 2024. हाउ 10 to 11 1. How many of you know what is coincide? Coincide, you know. You have 3 points in the clock section. First one is coincide. Coincide like exact 12 o'clock. If this is 12, this is coincide. Got it? And one point is this. If this is 6 o'clock, imagine 6 o'clock. 6 o'clock is minute hand is on 12 and our hand is on 6. So these two hands are in opposite direction and we can say this is opposite and straight. This is straight but in same direction, or you can say coincide, or you can say together. Clear? And one more thing, that is 90 degree. In this angle is 0, in this angle is 180 degree, and this angle is, I will let you know one more thing. In 12 hours, you will write this. In 12 hours, this happen 11 times. This happens 11 times. And in 24 hours, 22 times. You need to remember this. This is 180. This will also happen 11 times. and this is 22 times. This will happen 22 times in 12 hours and 44 times in 24 hours. You need to know this. This is coincide together. This is straight but opposite. This is at right angle. When the two hands of a clock, that is minute hand and hour hand, at right angle, or you can say at angle is 90 degree. So this happens 22 times in 12 hours and this happens 44 times in, this will happen 11 times. For example, exact at 12, 1 5 approx at 1 5, then 2 12 approx, then 317 approx, then 422 or more than 422 extra at 6 and 32.5 approx, means 6 32 30 seconds approx. Then at 7 and half of 35 से more than थोड़ा सा extra बस सिर्फ. Then 10 50 approx, and then it will not happen in 11 and 12. इसके बाद 1050 जब हो चुका होगा, फोकस रहना थोड़ा सा, 1050 जब होगा उसके बाद ये सीधा 12 पे जाके एक साथ कोइंसाइड करेंगे. और दिस वन, सो दिस विल हैपन 11 times. And according to this question, it is on how many times the hour hand and minute hand coincide a clock between, so 10 to 1050, at 1050 one time, then exact at 12, then approx at 1 5, and after 1 5 they will coincide at 2 10 approx. So after 2 हो जाएगा ना ये वाला तो. So how many times? 1 2 and see only 3 times. Approx लिख रहा हूं सिर्फ, approx 1050, exact 12 and approx 1 5. These are the approx time. So 3 times between 10 and 2 they will coincide in the same direction. Got this? ग्यारह 55 पे नहीं होगा, एग्जैक्ट 12 बज जाएंगे. 11:55 पे नहीं करेगी. 11:55 पे कैसे कराओगे आप इसको? 11:55 का मतलब है जो दूसरी आर हैंड होगी वो भी तो 12 की तरफ जाएगी ना. 11 फोकस रखते थोड़ा सा. इफ दिस इज 10, सो मिनट हैंड इज ऑन 12 and our hand is on 10, then 11, then 12. When this is moving in this direction, so this is also moving towards 11. So at 1050 this hand is approx here and this also here. So at 11:55 you are saying, so 11:55 means the minute hand is like here and also our hand like here, because exact at 12 o'clock they will coincide. So 11:55 possible ही नहीं है. Got it? Next one for you. This is from 2015. Between 6 p.m. and 7 p.m. the minute hand of a clock will be ahead of the hour hand by 3 minutes. Yes. The smaller number is 6. You need to multiply 5 in this number. 6 into 5, 30. If this is ahead, you need to add. And one more word. Remember this one. This is, if ahead is given, you need to add. But if a part is given, you need to subtract. Got it? So ahead, it means plus. The minutes given ahead is 3. So 6 into 5 is 30 plus 3. So this is 33. Multiply 12 by 11 in this and you will get your answer. This is 3 into 12, 36. So 36 minutes, 6:36 p.m. is your answer. A smaller number is always multiplied by 5. If ahead is given, you need to add. If a part is given, you need to subtract. So 6 into 5 plus 3 and multiply 12 and by 11, you will get the time, and we are using the smaller one. So 6 here, 6 p.m. and plus 36. So this is 6:36 p.m. If this is minute hand, this is hour hand. If a minute hand rotates complete in complete revolution, you can say it will cover 60 minutes, and hour hand will cover just only 5. Got it? So this 5 here, minute hand revolutes 60. So hour hand difference कितना रह जाएगा? 55. After simplifying, we will get this 12 by 11 also. This 12 by 11 also. The difference is 55. So 5, and then this revolutes 60 minutes, and our hand will revolution this only 5 minutes. So 5 minutes and remaining part is 55. 60 minutes is the complete revolution, and minute hand is revolute just only 5 minutes. Difference is 55. So 60 minutes here, 55 here. We simplify this. This is 12 by 11. So this 12 by 11 here, and then 5. Now this one. This is from 2014. How many of you can solve this one? If third day of the month is Monday, which one of the following will be the 5th day from the 21st of this month? Friday. Everyone. Focus. If third day of the month is Monday, means third is Monday. Then next Monday is on. Next Monday is on. Then add 7 in this. 3 plus 7 is Monday. Next Monday is on 10th. Then next Monday is on 17th. Yes. And next Monday is on 17 plus 7. 24. 24th is the Monday. Then he want 5th day from 21st. If this is 21st plus 5, 26. If 24 is Monday, then 25 is, and 26 is on Next one. Twenty 2025 and before 2025 it is 24 is a, if before normal year is leap year, then you just need to add 6 and this is the repetition of this part. So in 2031, the calendar of 2031 and 2025 is same. Noted? The first case is this, if this is 2025 and before this 24 is a, you need to add, this is 2031 and the case is, if this is 26, normal year behind is 25. The two cases you need to remember, if this is normal year, the calendar for normal year is same as normal year and calendar for leap year is same as leap year. Leap year will repeat with and normal year with normal year. This is normal year, so you need to add 11 in this. Add 20 and if this is 2024 is a, you need to add 28. 8 plus 4 is, so 2024 calendar will repeat in 2052 and 2026 will repeat in 2037 and 2025 will repeat in 20, means cases this is normal year and before normal year there is a leap year, then it will repeat after 6 years. This is normal year and before this is also normal year, so this will repeat after, and if there is a leap year, then leap year will repeat after 28 years. Then you will tell me now, the calendar for 2008 will repeat in which year? 2000. 2008 is a leap year, so leap year will repeat after, so this is done. This is a normal year and 26 is also normal year, so this will repeat after. Anyone else? Done this is now? Now this one, this is from 2024. What day is it on 24th of December 2023? How many of you remember the code for century? Code for days? Code for month? First, I am repeating the code for days. You have 7 days. First days, yes. Sunday is the first day, so code for Sunday is 1. Then Monday 2, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, then Friday, Saturday, and Sunday again. So if 0 also, then you will consider Saturday as 7 or 0. 0 why? How many days in a week? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is not divisible by 7. But 7 is also divisible by either 7 or 0. For this one? Done. So these are the codes for days. Done. Now code for months. How many months? 12. Jan, Feb, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. You need to remember one phone number. 144. Repeat with me. 144 025 036 and 146. कैसे याद करोगे? 144, then 2 perfect square 025 026. इसके बाद कितने perfect square आए? Add 2 in this. 144 025 036 146. What is? This is the code for month. Repeat करो 2 बार. 144 025 036 146. One more time. 144 025 036. One more last time. 144 025 036 146. This is the code for month. Now century code. Century code. 400, multiple of 400s. For example, 1200. Now 1300, 1400, 1500, then 1600, 1700, 1800, 1900, then 2000, 2100, 2200, 2300. What is the maximum runs you can score on a single ball? So BSNL sixer connecting India. The code for multiples of 400. 400 is a leap year, or you can say century leap year. Leap year is what? In which you have 366 days. Fab is of 29 days for this one. So if you divide a number, that is like 2024 is a year. 24 is divided by 4, then you will have remainder 0. Or you can say 2024 is divisible by 4. If it is divisible by 4, then you will say it is a leap year. This is just a leap year. But if you will say 1700, this is divisible by 4, but this is not a leap year. If this is a century year, and if century is divided by 400, and if it is divisible, then this is a century leap year. and this is century normal year, you can say. But if it is 1600 and you divide this 1600 by 400, this is divisible. If this is divisible, you can say 1600 is a century leap year. What happens in 1600 century? ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी, याद है यार, थोड़ा सा भूले बिसरे. नाउ देन आफ्टर दिस यू हैव 2000, जब तुम्हारा आसपास जन्म हुआ होगा उस टाइम. 2000 इज ऑल्सो अ सेंचुरी लीप ईयर, नॉट लीप ईयर. दिस इज सेंचुरी लीप ईयर. एंड आफ्टर दिस नाउ इट विल हैपन इन, और तब तक हम जा चुके होंगे. Got it? Done. So now 6 is the code for multiples of 400. Then code for 1300. How many of you know? This is 4, this is 2, and this is 0. Again 6, 4, 2, 0. Again this is 6, 4, 2, 0. Then this is should I remove this? Now you need to find the day. What day is on 24th of December 20. Now D M C C year plus year by 4 and divide by 7. Date is 24. Month code December. Code for December is 6 plus century code. Century is 2000 century. 2000 is 6. Then year. Year by 4 means 23 by 4. 5. And divide by 7. Add these numbers. This is 64. So 64 by 7. Remainder is 1. And first day is, so your answer is Sunday. How you will remember this? DMCC year by 4. DMCC year by 4. Here is 23. If this is 4, 5, so this 5 here. Quotient. We need to take quotient this time. What is the day of our independence part? Fifteenth of August 19. इसमें भी कभी कोई कंफ्यूजन हो, and you will tell me the day for the 15th August 1947. रटना नहीं है, कुछ भी पूछ सकता है. मैं सिर्फ आपको बता रहा हूं कि आपको पता कर सकते हो, गूगल कर सकते हो. Then but we will solve this through this formula. D means date, M month code, then century code, then year by 4, and then 7. 15 is the date. Month code, month is August, and code for August is 3. So this is 3. Then century, 19th century, 0. Then year, 47, and 47 by 4. 47 by 4, 11. Divide by 7. 76. 76 upon 7. So remainder is 6. And 6 is the code for Friday. Clear now? Now you will tell me the date of birth of Gandhiji. 2nd of October. हाँ जी, 19 कौन सा बोल रहा है? 1869. Now you will tell me the day. What is the day of 2nd of October 1869? Date is 2nd. Code for October 1. Year is code for century 1800 century 2. Year is 69 and year by 4 is 17 and divide by 7. 91 by 7. Remainder is 0. At 0, Saturday. So Gandhiji was born on Saturday. March 2003. 11 is date. Month code is March. 146. Jan, Feb, March. So 6 is the code. Oh, 144. Done. 144. Then century 6. Year by 4. 0. Then by 7. 6 plus 4, 10 plus 3, 13. 13 plus 10, 23, 24. So 24 by 7. Remainder 3. So first is Sunday, second Monday, third on Tuesday. Clear now? Now you will tell me about this. This is from 2022. Ulta. Reverse one. Which date of June 2099 among the following is Sunday? When you have a question like this, you need to find the day on 1st of June 2099, means first day of the month. You need to identify the day. Got this one? So 1st June 2099. Date is 1. Month June. Code for month is 5. So 5 this. Now century. Code for century 2000 is 6. Now year 99. Year by 4. Year by 4. 24 and divide by 7. So 7 here. This is 24 plus 5 is 29. If you divide 29 by 7, you will get 19 plus 1, 100. 100 by 7. 100 by 7 is 2. 2 means Monday. So you can say 1st June is Monday. And what do you want? Sunday. So add 6 in this you will have 7th of June. अरे भैया 1st June Monday, so 2nd June Tuesday, 3rd is 4th June, 5th of June and 6th, so 7th is 29th of Feb 2000. 29 is date. Now month code 4. Now century code year by 4. 6 plus 4, 10 plus 29, 39 by 7. Remainder 4. First day is Sunday, second Monday, third Tuesday and fourth is so Wednesday. Yes, we need to subtract 1 here. Yes, this is a leap year. 29th of Feb 2000. 2000 is a century leap year. So you need to subtract 1 in century leap year. Last final answer is 4. And remainder, if remainder is 4, you need to subtract 1 here. This is 3. First is 4 Sunday. Second is 4 Monday and third is 4 Tuesday. This is 4 century leap year. नोट कर लेना इसको. You need to remember this one. Now this is from 2021. एक क्वेश्चन आ जाता है इससे, इसीलिए मतलब थोड़ा सा टाइम ज्यादा लिया. This is from 2021. Which day is 10th of October 2027? Now you can find this. Tenth of October, date is 10. Now month code is October, code for October 1 and century code 6. 27 is the year, then 27 by 4. 6 divided by 7. So this is 7 and 27 plus 6 is 33 plus 10, 43 by 7. Remainder is, and first day is Sunday. Clear? Now you will tell me this. This is from 2020. Consider the following statements and conclusions. The statement first is all cats are dogs, all cats are black, all dogs are black. Conclusion 1. Some dogs are not black. First one is all cats are dogs. All cats are dogs. Done. You will represent all like this. You will represent some like this, and you will represent no. Then this is now all cats are dogs. Then all cats are black. All cats are black. The first conclusion, all dogs are black. There is no relation between dogs and black. You have no relation between dogs and black. You have any relation with the help of statement first or with the help of statement second? You have no relation between dog and black. So first one is not correct. First conclusion is not correct. Clear this is? Now the second one. Some dogs are not. Read the first statement. All cats are. Second statement. All cats are. These two statements are positive or negative. If statements are positive, then conclusions are also positive or should be positive. This conclusion is, so this one is also wrong. So you need to choose any doubt? Yes. Conclusion 2. First statement is positive. Second statement is also positive. If both the statements are given statements are positive, then the conclusions should be positive only. If statements are positive, then conclusions are positive also. And this you have. So this statement is, this conclusion is negative. So if statements are positive, then conclusion can never be positive, negative. So this one is also wrong. This one is also wrong. So answer is neither conclusion 1 nor conclusion 2 follows. डाउट है? अगर आप भारत में रहते हैं तो पाकिस्तान नहीं जा सकते. अगर पॉजिटिव स्टेटमेंट है तो नेगेटिव कंक्लूजन नहीं होगा. पॉजिटिव है तो स्टेटमेंट, देन कंक्लूजन्स भी पॉजिटिव ही होंगे. गॉट इट? सो जब स्टेटमेंट पॉजिटिव है तो कंक्लूजन नेगेटिव नहीं हो सकता. सो दैट्स व्हाई सेकंड कंक्लूजन इज आल्सो इनकरेक्ट. I will give you one question. All rats are bells. All rats are bells. This is statement. Second one. All bells are cars. All bells are cars. Now the conclusion first. First conclusion is all bells are rats. Conclusion 2 is some cars are neither bell nor rats. Third conclusion is no car is rat. Then which of the following conclusion follows given a statement? Options only one. Second option only second. Third one only third. And fourth is none. This is also PYQ. All bells, all rats are bells. This one is for rat and bells. Next one, all bells are cars. All bells are cars. Now the first conclusion, all bells are rats. No, some bells are rats is correct, but all bells are rats is not correct. Clear? This is done. So this one is not correct. Some cars are neither bell nor rat. The two statements given in the question positive. This one is no need to check if this is negative, wrong. No is this is negative, so none follows. वो तब होगा जब मैं नो का स्टेटमेंट या मैं नेगेटिव स्टेटमेंट आपको गिवन करूं, तब आप नेगेटिव की तरफ सोचेंगे. आप तैयारी कर रहे हैं, आई एम गिविंग यू एग्जांपल. आप तैयारी कर रहे हैं, क्या ये सोच के कि मेरा सिलेक्शन नहीं होगा, फिर तो नहीं होगा. अगर मैं तैयारी कर रहा हूं, मेहनत कर रहा हूं, तो किस लिए कर रहा हूं कि सिलेक्शन हो तभी तो. अगर जो तैयारी नहीं कर रहा है तो उसके लिए तो आप बोल सकते हैं जब कुछ पढ़ाई नहीं है तो कहां सिलेक्शन होगा. बात समझ रही? तो जब स्टेटमेंट नेगेटिव तब आएगा जब हमारे पास इंफॉर्मेशन नेगेटिव है, और स्टेटमेंट हम पॉजिटिव देख के चले कि हाँ मेरा सिलेक्शन होगा. आप पहले सोच रहे सर मैं आईएएस बनूं. नेगेटिव सेंस हमारी कब आती है? जब आप सोचोगे सर आईएएस से मैं आईपीएस पे आ गया. वो एटलीस्ट के लिए वर्ड यूज होता है. व्हाट इज वन? अब आप सोच रहे हो सर आईएएस नहीं मिलेगा तो आईपीएस, आईपीएस नहीं मिलेगा तो आईआरएस, आईआरएस नहीं मिलेगा तो आईआरसीटीसी मिलेगा, और ये भी नहीं मिलेगा तो पीसीएस मिलेगा, और पीसीएस नहीं मिलेगा तो आरओ मिलेगा. कहां तक नेगेटिव करूं जाएगा तुझे? तो कुछ अब पढ़ा है, कुछ ना कुछ तैयारी किया, तो कुछ ना कुछ तो लेके जाओगे. So, agar if positive statements are given, then we need to identify the conclusions is also the positive section from. Got it? I will give you one more. First statement is no keyboard is a mouse. The statement first is no keyboard. No keyboard is the mouse. Second one, all mouses are computers. Third one is all computers are laptops. These are the statements. And now the conclusion part. First conclusion is all mouses are laptop. All mouses are laptops. Second one is all computers can never be keyboard. Can never be keyboards. Option A is only one, only second, neither one nor two, and D both 1 and 2. तुम्हारा टॉपिक कमजोर है, ठीक है. सो यू नीड टू फोकस. यू हैव अ बैच in which I teach that one. This is the free one. You have one Drishti learning app. Just go and read that part. After this class, you have that free batch, free in the sense free crash course batch. The name of that batch is free crash course, and in that section I teach this part as syllogs. आज घर जाना है, आराम आराम से बैठ कर पढ़ना है, ठीक है, तुम्हारे हालात गंभीर है इसमें, उसे मैंने बहुत सारे एक एक स्टेटमेंट बताए हुए हैं, ठीक है, एक 2 आवर्स के अप्रोक्स की क्लास होगी, एक 1.5 की, तो उन 2 क्लास से क्लियर हो जाएगा, ठीक है, अदरवाइज आप कंफ्यूज रहोगे इसमें थोड़ा सा. जस्ट रीड द फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट नाउ. नो कीबोर्ड इज द, this is for keyboard and this is for no keyboard is the mouse is represented as there is no relation between them. If no keyboard is a mouse, then reverse this statement. No mouse is keyboard hota to correct hota. Then this is, now the next one. All mouses are computers. Covering this mouse, you can make the computer part. Now all computers are laptops. All computers are laptops. Then this is, now the first conclusion, all mouses are laptops. All mouses are laptops. Done. All mouses are laptops. Now the second one, all computers, this is the part of computer, can never be keyboard. You have relation between keyboard and mouse. From the first statement. From the first statement, you have a relation between keyboard and, no relation given between keyboard and computer, no relation given between keyboard and laptop. So we are not sure about this. So only one is the answer. Then this is, all statement first. Statement first. All doctors are humans. All doctors are humans. Second statements, all humans are honest. This is the part of a statement. Now I will tell you the valid conclusions. I will tell you the valid conclusions. So just focus over here. All doctors, the first part is for doctors. All doctors are humans. Now all humans are honest. If you consider this is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. Any doubt? If you are going 1, 2, 3 like this, you will use all. But if you are going 3, 2, 1, you will use some. Got it? Means first valid conclusion. All doctors are humans. The for 1 to 2. 1 to 2, all doctors are humans. Now 2 to 3, all humans are, the remaining one is 1 to 3. All doctors are honest. This is the valid conclusion. Now the second one. If you are going 3 to 2, means honest to human, then you will use some. Some honest are human. This is the valid conclusion. Third one, then 2 to 1. Some human are doctors. Valid conclusion. Fourth one, 3 to 1. Some honest are doctors. These are the valid conclusions. Apart from this, all are incorrect. Put this one. Noted? Statements are positive. Statement all A are B. All B are C. Now you will tell me the valid conclusions. You will tell me the valid conclusions. First, you need to draw this one. This is A, then this is B. All A are B, then all B are C. If this is 1, this is 2, and this is, and if you are going 1, 2, 3, it means 1 to 2, all A are B, 2 to 3, all B are C. Now, 1 to 3, all A are C is the valid one. Now the second, you will move 3 to 1 now, and 3 to 2 is sum. You will use sum. Yes, sum C R B. Done this is. Now the next one, sum B R A. Now the next one, sum C R A. These are the valid conclusions. Got it now? Now you can understand this one. All mouses are laptops, mouses here and laptops here. So 1 to 3. So this is correct. But if he is using 3 to 1, then we need to say some laptops are mouses. Some computers are mouses hota to correct hota. Got it this one? And no relation between keyboard and computer, no relation between laptop and keyboard. So that's why first one is correct because of these two parts. Clear? These are the two key points of this section. Now you will tell me this. This is the question from 2025. मैं लिखा दो. If P is, उसमें थोड़ा सा टाइम ज्यादा लगेगा, उसमें फिर मुझे इधर और भी समझाना पड़ेगा. अगर वो छोड़ दिया तो फिर बीच में लग जाएगा मामला. P is the brother of Q and R. S is R's mother. T is P's father. How many of the following statements are definitely true? Now P is brother of Q and R. P is brother of Q and R. Do you know this one? Done. P is the brother of Q and R. S is R's mother. S is R's mother. S is R's mother. Done. Now, T is P's father. P's father is T. So, husband, wife, T and S. Done. You know the gender of Q and R? No. We are not sure of gender of Q and R. Q can be brother of P, Q can be sister of P. And the same scenario with R. R can be brother of P, R can be sister of P, because we are not sure about the gender of Q and R. Now the first statement, S and T are couple, yes. Q is T's son, we are not sure. Q can be daughter, Q can be son, so we are not sure about this. Now T is Q's father, yes definitely, लड़की और लड़का पापा तो एक ही होगा. Done. S is P's mother, yes. R is P's daughter, we are not sure. R can be son or daughter. Done. Now P is S son, yes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, only 4. Clear this is? Any doubt? Now you will tell me this. How many educated people are backward people? This triangle is representing educated people, circle is represented employed, and backward is this. What do you want? How many educated people are backward? This is the triangle for educated people, and we want educated and now this is the for backward people. So common part is 1 and, so 1 and 3 is, so option A is correct. Clear this is? 1 and 3, 4. How many? This 3 is representing educated people, backward and employed, all the sections. 2 is representing what? Educated and employed. 4 is representing what? Only employed. Put this one. And this 7 is representing only backward. 8 is representing educated. Read this one. This is from 2015. In a town, 45% population read magazine A, 55% read magazine B, 40% read magazine C, 30% read magazine A and B, 15% read magazine B and C, 25% read magazine A and C, 10% read all 3 magazines. What percentage do not read any magazine? Read one more time. – 45% population read magazine A. This is the circle for magazine A, and total 45% people read magazine A. Now the second one, 55% people read magazine B. 55% read magazine B. This is for magazine B. And how many? 55%. Now the third one. Magazine C and 40%. And out till here. Done. 30% read this line. 30% read magazine A and B. 30% read magazine A and B. 30% read magazine A and B. 15% read BC, AC. 10% read all three magazines. Focus on this part. This is the section for all three magazines. This is the section for all three magazines. For this one, and this is 10%. 10% read all three magazines. Read from here. 10% read all three magazines. Done. Now 30% read A and B only. 30%, if this is 30% complete section, so you will say 20% here. This section is representing A and B. Focus on this. This section is representing A and B, and A and B read 30%. So sum of these two is 30. Sum of this part is 30. Done. This is 20 because 30% read A and B. Now next one, 15% read magazine B and C. This is B and C. So this part is B and C. And this is how much? 15%. So 10 this and 5 here. So you will say 5% this B and C. 15% complete. 10 plus 5. Next. 25%. Read from 25% read magazine A and C. This is A, this is C, and this area is for A and C. So this is 25%. If this is 25%, so 15% here. Any doubt? No. You know, this circle is representing magazine A. This circle is representing, and magazine A read by 45% people. So the sum of all the terms should be 45. Now 20 plus 10 plus 15 is equal to, so you can say 0%. 0% read only A, or you can say none read only magazine A. For this one, now this circle is representing magazine B, and magazine B read by 55% of the people. So sum of digits of this circle should be 55. Now 20 plus 10, 30 plus 5, 30, subtract 35 from here, 20. So 20% are those who read only B. 20% are those who read only B. Now this circle is representing magazine C, and magazine C read by 40%. Now sum of these three numbers, 15 plus 5, 20 plus 10, 30. So 30 here, total 40. So you can say 10% people read only magazine C. For this one, now what you want? Percentage do not read any magazine. So total people of the town is 100%. Now add these numbers, 20 plus 20, 20 plus 20, 40 plus 10, 50 plus 15, plus 5, plus 10. So you can say 80% are those people who read something, either magazine A, or magazine B, or magazine C, or AB both, or BC both, or AC magazine. So 80% are those who read something. Total people are 100%. So you can say 20% are those who read nothing. Is it clear? If I'll give you the same, can you solve that one? Sure. Try to solve this one. This is from 2014. और ये मत समझना कि सर 2014 का करा रहे हो, इतना पुराना नहीं आया तो 2013 2014 के सेम क्वेश्चन रिपीट हुए थे 2023 में. Out of a total 120 musicians in a club, 5% can play all three instruments, guitar, violin and flute. It so happens that the number of musicians who can play any and only two of the above instruments is 30. The number of musicians who can play guitar alone is 40. What is the total number of those people who can play violin alone and flute alone? Read the first line first. Only 5% can play all three. So total 120 musicians and 5% musicians can play all the instruments. So you can say there are 6, because 120 into 5 into 1 by 100. So इतना सिंप्लीफाई मत करना. So 6 musicians can play all three instruments, you can say. The first, second and the third one. So all three, you have the guitar, violin and the flute. 120, 5% of 120 is 6, so 6 is here. 6 musicians are those who can play guitar, flute and violin, all three instruments. Now, it so happens that the number of musicians who can play any and only two above instruments is 30. So you can say this is A, B, C, and sum of these three, A plus B plus C, is given 30. Any doubt? No. Next one. The number of musicians who can play guitar alone. This is guitar and alone guitar is the 40. Done? Read the next one. What is the total number of those who can play violin alone? Violin alone, can we let V? Done. Next one. And flute. Flute we can let F. So if we add all the numbers, you can say 40 are those who can play guitar, plus A, plus 6 plus C plus V plus B plus F is equal to 120 because total musicians are 120 given in the question, and you know A plus B plus C is what? 30. This is A plus B plus C, 30. So 40 plus 30 plus 6 plus V plus F is equal to 120. This is 40 plus 30, 70 plus 6, 76. So violin plus flute is equal to 120 minus 76 is equal to 44. So 44 are those who can play alone violin and flute. So answer is 44. Done. Now try to solve this one. How many of you can solve this? If you are facing the screen, it means you are facing north. According to you, you are facing north. If considering me, I am facing north, then this side. My north is your, my 6 can be your 9, according to Galguti. Remember that part? Done. So, if you are facing this, then according to you, north is this. I am facing, according to me, north is this. So, my north is your, but now I am facing the screen, you also facing the screen. So, we can say we are facing north, and this is south. On right hand side, east. Left hand side, these are the 4 directions, or you can say 4 major directions. Clear this is? Now if you are considering this, this is northeast, this is southeast, this is southwest, and this is northwest. Done. Now Rohan is facing the west, he is facing west. He turns 45 degree in clockwise, 45 degree like this and clockwise. And out? No. Then next, and then 180 degree in the same direction. Same direction means clockwise. He is going clockwise, and the same direction it means clockwise. So clockwise 180 degree, it means like this. This is northwest, and if he turns 180 degree, becomes southeast. And out? Done. Next one, and then 270 degree in the anti-clockwise. So this is clockwise, so anti-clockwise in this direction. Done. So 270 degree, this is 180, and 180 plus how much is equal to 270? So this is 45 and again 45. So this direction, after going 270 degree anti-clockwise direction, so this direction is southwest, and southwest is D option. Is it clear now? This is done. Revise कर लेना proper, and best of luck for your future. We will meet. Thank you.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.